In massive microservice environments, scale creates a paradox. As applications expand, the exponential volume of raw data output degrades into unstructured noise. To map this chaos, we must enforce a strict architectural distinction. Monitoring is the analysis of data. Telemetry is the automated generation and transmission of that data. This distinction defines observability. Observability is the mathematical ability to infer the internal state of a distributed system based purely on its external telemetry outputs. Legacy monitoring systems fail in modern environments because they rely on proprietary agents. These agents lock high cardinality data into vendor-specific silos that cannot cross-communicate. True full-stack observability requires completely decoupling the generation of telemetry from the back-end storage that analyzes it. Achieving this decoupling requires an open pipeline built by integrating strict semantic conventions, zero-code eBPF kernel hooks, and adaptive AI frameworks. Establishing observability as a strict vendor-neutral architectural requirement ensures the entire system remains fully transparent, even as it scales. All system visibility rests on 4 core signals, collectively known as MELT. The MELT foundation starts with metrics, numerical measurements tracking performance over time. Events are time-stamped occurrences, marking specific actions. Logs are chronological text records required to debug errors. Finally, traces map the complete execution path of a transaction across multiple services. A crisis occurs when a trace crosses boundaries between microservices built by different teams using different data schemas. Look at this data flow. If Service A tags a user request as enduser.id, but Service B logs the exact same user as UID, the continuous trace line snaps. That single naming inconsistency breaks downstream tooling compatibility. The platforms can no longer correlate the data, rendering the entire distributed trace mathematically useless. OpenTelemetry semantic conventions provide the definitive solution to this correlation failure. Semantic conventions act as a rigid, standardized taxonomy. They dictate the exact attribute naming structures for all telemetry data generated by your system. This source code illustrates the operational risk. Without standard conventions, developers type manual string literals for telemetry tags directly into the application. These manual entries invite human error. A simple typo or a team preference instantly creates fragmented metrics downstream. The architectural fix replaces these manual entries. By utilizing OpenTelemetry SDK-provided constants, highlighted here in green, the taxonomy is strictly enforced. These constants globally normalize resources, HTTP requests, database queries, and RPC calls before the data ever leaves the application layer. Enforcing a semantic standard at the code level guarantees deterministic correlation across any back-end observability platform you choose to deploy. Modifying source code to embed SDKs in every microservice creates deployment bottlenecks and is highly unscalable for large systems. OpenTelemetry eBPF instrumentation, or OBI, bypasses this friction entirely to deliver zero-code observability. This cross-section separates the application user space above from the underlying Linux kernel below. OBI safely places eBPF probe nodes directly into the kernel. These hooks intercept upward network traffic, sorting captured packets into labeled HTTP, gRPC, and SQL lanes, invisibly to the user space. This provides immediate value for legacy applications or third-party cloud SDK calls, where the original source code cannot be modified. Kernel-level instrumentation establishes an immediate zero-code baseline of network visibility across an entire node, requiring zero developer intervention. Because eBPF operates at the network level, it cannot capture deep, customized business logic inside the application. That requires a hybrid approach. This diagram maps the 2026 OBI integration, where manual business logic telemetry from SDKs runs parallel to zero-code infrastructure telemetry from eBPF. Through context propagation, the two streams weave together. The eBPF trace perfectly wraps the SDK-generated application span. The outcome is a single, unified, highly detailed trace. It provides full context without duplicating spans or generating conflicting telemetry. This pipeline must now adapt to the next evolution of computing, autonomous AI agents. Standard MELT telemetry fails when applied to large language models. These systems execute non-deterministic, autonomous workflows that traditional metrics cannot capture. To solve this, OpenTelemetry built a specific Gen AI semantic schema. This tree diagram maps AI complexities, splitting telemetry between the AI agent framework engine and the AI agent application executing tasks. Novel attributes measuring model drift and inference latency flow into a central metrics hub. These granular semantic schemas allow organizations to audit non-deterministic workflows by quantifying model drift and tool execution in real time. Stepping back, we can now view the fully assembled, production-grade OpenTelemetry architecture. This map shows the generation layer. Hybrid SDKs and eBPF hooks emit standardized melt data, which flows into the OTel collector. The collector parses, filters, and batches the stream into uniform blocks, dynamically routing identical streams to disparate backends like data lakes and observability UIs. This execution proves the primary architectural advantage, the complete decoupling of telemetry generation from backend storage. This standardized routing permanently breaks vendor lock-in. You can swap backends without re-instrumenting a single line of code. An open standard future-proofs the infrastructure. You can rapidly adopt emerging technologies, like eBPF and AI frameworks, without rebuilding the telemetry pipeline. Standardizing the data pipeline ensures observability functions as a first-class feature of the modern technical stack.